If you've been struggling with constipation or hard, painful stools, you're not alone, and the solution might be simpler than you think. Take this natural remedy for just 5 nights, and you'll be surprised by what your body releases. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal how this simple nightly habit can completely change your digestion, your energy, and even your mood. Today we're talking about natural ways to improve your health, digestion, and overall well-being. If you love learning about nutrition and want to keep your body young and active, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's talk about something that affects millions of people, but few like to discuss: dry, hardened stools and slow digestion. You know that awful feeling when you need to go, but can't? When you sit there trying to push and nothing happens, or it hurts so much it even causes bleeding or hemorrhoids. It's uncomfortable, frustrating, and can ruin your mood for the entire day. But here's the thing most people don't realize. Chronic constipation isn't just uncomfortable. It can actually be dangerous. When waste stays in your colon too long, it starts to release toxins back into your body, and that toxic buildup can lead to inflammation, fatigue, and even serious health issues. Let's understand why your stools become dry and hard. When you eat, your body digests food through your stomach and small intestine. That's where most nutrients are absorbed. But when the food reaches your large intestine, your body reabsorbs water. If your intestines are slow, if you don't go for 1, 2, or even 3 days, the body keeps pulling water out of the stool. And what's left? A dry, compact, rock-hard mass that's painful to eliminate. That's why the longer you wait, the harder it gets. Literally. So, how do you really fix this naturally? How do you go from struggling, sitting in pain, feeling bloated and frustrated, to finally waking up and feeling light, empty, and clean from the inside out? It all comes down to 3 simple but powerful steps that your body has been begging you to follow: hydration, fiber, and movement. These 3 are the foundation of a healthy digestive system, but most people completely underestimate how deeply connected they are to every part of your body. Let's break it down. Step 1. Hydration, the forgotten key to a clean gut. Here's a little-known truth. Your colon isn't just a tube. It's an incredibly intelligent organ that decides how much water to give or take from your stool. When you're dehydrated, your colon goes into survival mode. It starts stealing water back from your waste, leaving behind dry, hard, compacted stool. That's when you feel that heavy, uncomfortable pressure and pain. So hydration isn't just about drinking more water. It's about restoring communication between your brain and your gut. Because the moment your body senses consistent hydration, it trusts that it can release waste more easily without holding on. Here's something most people don't know. The texture of your stool literally reflects your hydration level. A smooth, sausage-shaped stool? You're hydrated. Dry, cracked, or pebble-like pieces? Your body's been begging for water for days. That's why you should never wait until you feel thirsty. Thirst is already a sign of dehydration. Try this. When you wake up, drink a full glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon. It wakes up your digestive system, stimulates bile flow, and gently tells your colon, "Hey, it's time to start working." Then keep sipping water throughout the day, not in big gulps, but in small, consistent amounts. Think of it as watering your internal garden. Step 2. Natural fiber foods, the hidden secret of regularity. Now let's talk about fiber, nature's internal broom. Most people think fiber is just about eating more vegetables. But the truth is, there are 2 kinds of fiber, and they work together like a perfect cleaning team. Soluble fiber, found in foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, oats, apples, and papaya, acts like a sponge. It soaks up water and forms a soft gel that moves smoothly through your intestines, collecting waste as it goes. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, found in leafy greens, whole grains, and vegetable skins, is like a broom. It sweeps the walls of your intestines, pushing everything forward and preventing waste from sticking. Now imagine what happens when you combine both. You get a hydrated gel that keeps everything soft and a fiber broom that keeps everything moving. That's what a healthy bowel movement feels like: smooth, complete, and satisfying. Here's a fun fact. Your colon loves routine. If you feed it fiber at the same time each day, say breakfast and dinner, it starts predicting when it needs to move. It's like training a pet. Your intestines respond to consistency. And here's where it gets interesting. Fiber doesn't just clean your colon, it feeds the good bacteria that live there. These beneficial microbes create short-chain fatty acids that lower inflammation, boost immunity, and even improve your mood. Yes, your gut bacteria literally talk to your brain. When they're happy, you feel calmer, lighter, and more focused. So when you think about fiber, don't think just about digestion. Think about mental clarity, energy, and longevity. If you've ever wondered why your skin glows more when you eat well, or why you feel happier after a few days of healthy eating, it's because your gut and your brain are in constant conversation. Step 3. Gentle movement, the natural engine of your digestive system. Here's a question. Have you ever noticed how you feel like going to the bathroom after a walk? That's not a coincidence. Your intestines are lined with smooth muscles that contract rhythmically to push food along. This is called peristalsis. But those muscles depend on your overall body movement to stay active. If you sit all day, your abdominal area stays compressed, circulation slows down, and your intestines get lazy. They literally move less because you move less. That's why even light activity, a brisk 20-minute walk after meals, stretching your torso, or gentle yoga twists, can wake up your digestive system. Try this simple trick. Place your hands on your abdomen and take 5 deep breaths. As you inhale, expand your belly. As you exhale, gently pull it in. You're massaging your intestines and stimulating the vagus nerve, the main communication line between your brain and your gut. That nerve tells your body, relax, digest, release. It's one of the reasons why stress and constipation are so closely connected. When you're anxious, your body goes into fight or flight mode and shuts down digestion. When you move gently and breathe deeply, you switch back into rest and digest mode, and suddenly, everything starts flowing again. Bringing it all together. A ritual for a happier gut. So imagine this. You start your morning with warm lemon water. You eat a breakfast rich in fiber, maybe oatmeal with chia and apple. You take a short walk or stretch for 10 minutes. You stay hydrated all day. And at night, you drink your special chia flax gel drink before bed. Do this for 5 nights in a row, and watch what happens. Your body will begin to trust the rhythm. Your colon will relax and release what it's been holding, and that awful feeling of heaviness and bloating will finally fade away. Because your gut doesn't need punishment. It needs consistency, kindness, and hydration. Did you know your colon can hold up to 15 pounds of old waste when it's backed up? That's like carrying a bowling ball inside you, every single day. And here's the good news. When you start following these 3 simple steps, you'll not only cleanse your colon, but also improve your immune system, sleep better, and even think more clearly. That's right. Gut health isn't just about bathroom success. It's about how your entire body performs, from your energy to your emotions. Your body is always communicating with you. Every discomfort, every cramp, every signal of bloating or pressure is your gut asking for care. Listen to it. Give it water, fiber, and gentle movement. And in return, it will give you balance, clarity, and comfort. 5 nights may be all it takes to start feeling the difference, naturally, gently, and powerfully. Here's what many people don't know. There's a simple nightly drink that helps the body naturally release what's stuck inside. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds in a glass of warm water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it forms a soft gel. Then drink it right before bed, every night, for 5 nights. These seeds are rich in soluble fiber and healthy fats that lubricate the intestines and help your body push out what's been stuck. Without pain, without chemicals, and without harsh laxatives. After 5 nights, you'll start to feel lighter, more energetic, and more regular. Avoid relying on chemical laxatives. They may give temporary relief, but can damage your gut microbiome and make your intestines lazy. Instead, nourish your body with good fats, like olive oil, avocado, almonds, and walnuts, and probiotics, like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut. These help rebuild your gut flora and keep your digestion strong long term. And remember, never ignore the urge to go. When your body says, "It's time," listen to it. Holding it in only trains your intestines to stop sending signals. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. The tips shared here are based on natural wellness principles and should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. If you experience frequent constipation, persistent abdominal pain, bleeding, or any other concerning symptoms, please consult a doctor. Only a qualified healthcare professional can provide an accurate diagnosis and recommend the appropriate treatment. Take care of yourself responsibly. Information is power, but medical guidance is essential. So, if you've been suffering in silence, embarrassed, or frustrated by constipation, start this simple 5-night natural routine. It's gentle, it's safe, and it really works. Your body deserves to feel light, clean, and balanced, and it all starts with taking care of your gut. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It helps me reach more people who need natural solutions like this. Subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and let me know in the comments. How often do you struggle with constipation? Your feedback helps me make videos that truly help you live better. See you in the next one, and remember, your gut health is the foundation of your well-being.